let's learn the letter D. All the way round, up and down. D is for duck. D. Daud and his dog went to the jungle. His dog was happy to see the duck in the water, and Daud enjoyed seeing the deer. Do you like watching animals?
Dandy deer beats a drum. Dum-dee-dun, here he comes. Deer. Da, 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 deer. Da, 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 deer. Duck. Da, 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 duck. Da, 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 duck. Dog. Da, 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 dog. Da, 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 dog. Door. Da, 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 door. Da, 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 door. Drum. Da, 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 drum. Da, 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 D.